Hello guys, today we talk about the shape labeling tooling by Smart Tools for PowerPoint. With this tooling, it's possible adding text box with some information like hyperlink address, sequential numbers, or even free text in the objects. I will show now how shape labeling tooling works. First of all, I would like to say the importance that to have the hyperlinks identified in the presentation. In the moment of the presentation, to be easier the communication between the viewer and the presenter, the hyperlink should be well identified. So, in order to identify the hyperlinks in the presentation, I will use the shape labeling. Here is the tooling. I will overview the tooling now. So, here we have the font. You can select the font style, the size. Here you can select the size, in this case 11, the color, bold, Italy. Here is the label position, distance of the label of the object. The label of the object, look that, here is the distance 5. So, in this case, a middle right position. In this case, the text box will be added here, 5 points in the middle of this object. Okay, we can select the position, top right, middle, bottom, top bottom center position, center middle. Okay, in our case, middle right position. Here is the sequential number beginning in the number 1. So I would like to put parenthesis in the beginning and parenthesis in the final, in the end of the test. So now I select this and apply. Look that. Number 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now I use the shape labeling to identify the navigate buttons and the return buttons. Look that the navigate buttons and return buttons have in the slide 3, 4, and 5. And I use the shape labeling to apply in all the objects the hyperlink function. Look that. Select the object, size 11, left position, hyperlink function, enable reference mode. In this moment, I charge the object. So when I charge the object, when the tooling find this object in each slide, the tooling add a test box in middle left position, 5 points of distance with the hyperlink function information. So the address of the link. Okay, in this case, previews. Look that. Here, slide 3, previews. Slide 4, previews. Slide 5, previews. I will do the same thing with this one. Shape labeling. 11. Hyperlink function. Enable reference mode. Now I will charge the object. And here, I put this one. Look that. Next. Next. Now I will do the same thing with the return. Select the return, 11, size, top center position, 2 points distance, free text, return. Okay. Now I enable reference mode to charge this object. So when the tooling find this object, put the top center, the free text with return word. Okay, look that. Okay. Suppose that you'd like to print this presentation to study in your house or in the flight or in the other place. So these numbers don't help you to understand better the presentation. So it's important to identify the address of each link. So I use the shape labeling in order to identify the address. So I will put in the middle left position, in the color blue, in the size 10. I disable sequential number, hyperlink, enable hyperlink function, free text. I will put slides here, dots. OK, and select this, this, and this. Look that. OK. So the link 1 goes to slide 3. Look that. Previews, next, previews, return. The link 2 goes to slide 4. The link 3 goes to slide 5. Fantastic. Now I will show you how works the shape labeling to fulfill the calendar. Look that. Here's the calendar. I will select all the calendar, unselect this, 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 and this, unselected. Put the size 16, bold, and now I will put, if I put gray here, the tooling adds a new text box in front of those text boxes. But I would like to put into text box, so I apply 2 clicks here. Center middle position in the shape. Look that. And apply. Oh, fantastic. Look that. It's fulfill all the calendar. Okay. Just to understand better how works this tooling, I prepare this slide. Look that. And the selection, that sequence of selection, is considered in the moment that I apply the sequential numbers. Look that. I select the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I put 16, bold, into the shape, sequential number beginning 1, and OK. Look that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. OK. Look that. OK, I think this tooling is very useful for you. Thank you for your attention. If you liked the video, leave your like. If you would like more information about smart tools for PowerPoint, visit our website